Hello everybody, today we're going to be installing a Bluetooth extension to our GTA car kit in a 2006 Mazda 3. The radio is already missing the screws, so it can be easily removed. And we showed in a previous video how to install the kit on the car, and today we're going to show you how to install the Bluetooth. So this is how the Bluetooth looks. You're going to have the Bluetooth module, you're going to have a button and a microphone. So first thing that we're gonna do is install the microphone to the A pillar over here, and the only tools that you'll need to do that is some type of a panel removal tool. So what we're gonna do now is drop this panel around the steering wheel in order to feed the wire from the back of the radio all the way to the A pillar, and you can just grab it with your hands. It has to be done from the top and kind of pull it and use the tool, kind of push it down. This side is a little easier. So just like that, you just drop it down, and that's enough for you to feed the wire through. The next step will be to open the door and bring this rubber piece down in order to feed the wire. But first, we're gonna start feeding the wire from the back of the radio. So there's lots of open space, and you can just start feeding it. And in order for the radio not to fall, we're gonna put the radio back. Over here, same thing. You can just go around this metal piece right here, and then all the way up. So now we're gonna open the door. With the door open, we're gonna take this rubber piece down, just like that. We're gonna take our microphone and put it here, and then we're gonna be putting the rubber piece back and hiding the wire behind. I'm just showing you quickly, but when you're doing this on your car, take your time and put it nicely, just like that, and we're done with this side. So now that you put the wire through all the way to the A pillar, you're gonna take it and connect it into the mic hole in the module here. And there's also the button. So the button we're also gonna take and plug it into the remote control slot. That's pretty much Bluetooth connect, and then of course you gotta take your actual connection for the Bluetooth and connect it into the module. These wires we didn't connect yet, and we're not going to for this video. So we're gonna take the actual kit connection and put it to the back of the radio, like we showed in our previous video for this car. Just plug it in, and now we have to test everything and make sure that everything works properly. So we're gonna turn the radio on to the first position and go into our kit's mode by pressing the CD button twice, and it's gonna take you to the EX mode. So now you have to pair the Bluetooth with your phone. So we're gonna go to Settings, Bluetooth, and you should find the name. When it's flashing rapidly, that's when it's pairing or ready to pair. If it's not flashing rapidly, you just have to hold this button for 3 seconds and it will start flashing rapidly in order for you to pair. So right here, GTA car kits, we're gonna pair. So once it pairs, it stops blinking rapidly and it just stays on. Just gonna go to your music, press play, and you should hear it on the radio. So this is the music playing from the phone. So you can adjust the volume from the radio or from the steering wheel controls, and we suggest, in order to have the same volume with the audio system in your car and the Bluetooth, you should keep the volume around 75%. So now we're gonna test what happens when the phone call comes in. So we're just gonna call this phone, and once the phone call comes in, the music is gonna pause, and you're gonna hear the ringer, and then you can answer by pressing on this button. And the phone call is going through the car now. So once you hang up, either from the phone or by using the same button, the music will resume to playing what it was playing before. And then once you've tested everything and made sure everything works properly, you have to put everything back. You've hide everything behind the radio except for this button. And in this particular car, we suggest writing out the button over here. You can just use some type of double-sided tape, or if you like, you can bring it down low somewhere here that it's not as noticeable. So it's up to you. All the panels are open, and wherever you want to wire in the button, it's personal choice. So that's pretty much it for the installation. Again, this was a video for GTA Car Kits. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next time.